Today we are going to discuss about the human genome project. Already we were discussed about genome. About genome. Now we are going to discuss about the what is the project. Yesterday I have given a question to you, that is mega project. That is the mega project. Now I am going to give a question to you, what is a project? What is a project? Some of them sent answers, somebody Kiran, and the other one, two members sent answer to me. Yes, finding nucleotide sequence, finding every nucleotide. Hence, that is called a mega project. And okay, that's also correct. They are spending more money for the nearly $3 billion. So $3 billion, not 3 billion, 9.5 billion dollars, like that they are spending. And to find out each nitrogenous base, they are spending $3. They are spending how many dollars, my dear students? $3. Nearly 3 billion base pairs, 3.9 billion base pairs are present in our body. That 3.9 billion base pairs they want to find out, and they are spending more money for it. Hence, it is called mega project. HGP, first point, what is that? HGP is a mega project. HGP is a which project, my dear students? HGP is a mega project. Why it is called mega project? All of you clear about this? HGP is a mega project. First of all, I have given a question to you. What is the project? It is a mega project. Why it is called mega project? All of you understood. Next, why it is called mega project is over. And when it was started, in which year it was started? When it was started. ఇక్కడ మనం కనుక తీసుకున్నట్లయితే మీకు ఈజీగా ఉండడం కోసం ఈ పారాగ్రాఫ్కి మీరు కనుక క్వశ్చన్ అంటే హ్యూమన్ జీనోమ్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఇఫ్ యూ ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు అటెంప్ట్ యాజ్ ఏ క్వశ్చన్ ఫర్ ద అబిఎం మార్చ్, హ్యూమన్ జీనోమ్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ చదివేటప్పుడు మీకు కొన్ని పారాగ్రాఫ్స్ లాగా ఉంటాయి. ఆ పారాగ్రాఫ్స్ అర్థం కావడానికి కొంచెం టైం తీసుకుంటుంది. దట్స్ వై I am giving the information why, when, and say where it has been started, which countries are participating, and why it is useful. In the first paragraph I will discuss. In the first paragraph, what I will discuss? In the first paragraph we are going to discuss. In the first paragraph, why it is called mega project. Already over. Why it is called mega project over. Okay, all of you are clear about it. Why it is called mega project. When it was started, in which year it was started, which year, and which countries are participating in this project, which countries were participated in this project. Okay, when it was started, in 1990 it was started. When it is going to complete, already it was completed, 1990 to 2013. Nearly takes 13 years of project. Already it was completed. When it was completed? 2013. So by that we come to the conclusion that some of the genome they were discovered and they may be working on it. Mari, which countries are participating? The USA, Department of Energy, and National Institute of Health, yes, National Institute of Health, US. These two are the USA. And the UK. Later, other countries, last year question, Department of Energy, National Institute of Health, and which countries are participating in this project. Last year question is in the NEET question. This is the NEET question. Which countries are participating? US, UK, China, Japan are participating in this project to decipher the genome sequence. To decipher the genome sequence. Up to now, why it is called mega project? You can write very easily when it was started and which year, when and which year it was started, and it was already completed, and which countries are participating, and what is the use of this project. What is the use of this project? This project, after finding the genome sequence, it is useful in the medicine, in the medical field especially. It is very much useful to diagnose and to prevent many diseases and genetic disorders. We can find out the diseases before getting the disease, before suffering with the disease. We can find out in the future, after birth of the child, in the future, after taking birth of a child, we can find the what disorders that child has. Which disorder he has, we can find out by finding this sequence. It is useful in the medical field and agriculture field and any other field also. In the evolutionary biology, we can find out the evolution of man, evolution of how they were evolved, evolution of other organisms also we can find out. This is the use of a human genome project. Here you should remember the why, what, where. If you study like this, if you study why, when, and which countries, and what is the use of this project, you can remember easily. Here, before going to decipher the genetic sequence of human beings, they were already sequenced the small organisms like small plants and organisms, their genetic sequence also deciphered. Rice, Arabidopsis, and bacteria, yeast genetic sequence, genome sequence were already discovered. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది అని అంటే మనము పెద్ద యానిమల్ అంటే మనం ఏంటి 23 pairs ఆఫ్ క్రోమోజోమ్స్ ఉంది. అదే చిన్న ఎలుకలు తీసుకున్నాం అనుకోండి, తక్కువ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ క్రోమోజోమ్స్ ఉంటాయి. అదేవిధంగా ఇంకా రైస్ ప్లాంట్ తీసుకున్నాం అనుకోండి, ఇంకా తక్కువ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ క్రోమోజోమ్స్ ఉంటాయి. అలా చిన్న వాటిని చేస్తే మనం పెద్ద వాటిని చేయగలం. అందుకని మన సైంటిస్టులు అందరూ ఏం చేశారు, అదర్ కంట్రీస్లో సైంటిస్ట్ ఏం చేశారు, they found the sequence of rice genome and Arabidopsis genome or the bacteria genome, yeast genome. So by that they can find out and they sequence this human genome easily. Okay, this is the first paragraph. If you study like this, why, where, when, which countries, what is the use in the medical field, in the agriculture. It is useful in the medical field, agriculture field. Mostly it is useful in these two fields and the other fields also. So like that, the first paragraph, this is very easily can write. Okay, there is no confusion, I think. Why, when, or which countries are participating, what is the use of this project. Why, when, what. Okay, what is the project? That is the question for you. Next I will discuss three steps for that. This is the introduction for the human. Just first paragraph contains all this. Next, goals of HGP. Goals of HGP. And the salient features of HGP. Advantages of HGP. This is the goals of HGP, salient features of HGP, advantages of HGP. Very easily you can write. Say if you have seen my 2 videos before this, you can write very easily, I think. Goals of HGP. How many base pairs are there in our body? They want to